Sending.
Two and three were right next to each other.
What's going on, guys? Long D with Tactiholics. We're here with Josh from Criterion Barrels talking about Remage pre-fit barrels. All right, Josh, why don't you tell us a little bit about the Remage pre-fits?
Well, it really is self-explanatory in the name. Rem is in Remington 700, and then Edge is in Savage. So use the Savage style barrel nut system on a Remington 700 type action. It's cross-compatible with a number of custom actions as well. It's a pre-fit barrel, so it's pretty well plug and play. You just got to screw it in, headspace it, lock it in place, and then you're off to the races.
Awesome. And what kind of calibers can you get out of these?
Any wide variety of calibers. I mean, starts out, we've got stuff as small as like 20 practical, 20 tactical, all the way up to, I believe we have a few 338 options available. Awesome. And where can you get these? Northland Shooter Supply is our distributor for these. So James over there would be your best point of contact. Just go to northlandshootersupply.com and they'll help you out.
Cool. So Josh, now that you've told us a little bit about the Remage pre-fit system, what does a customer need to actually assemble something like this?
Really all you need are a couple tools. If you got a vise in your workbench at home, you'll need a set of headspace gauges, a barrel nut, recoil lug, which are also available through Northland Shooter Supply. They've got an action wrench as well as a taper lock tool that allows you to index that recoil lug. All in all, it takes maybe 15 minutes to install a barrel. You can even do it faster with a little bit of practice, but barrel swaps are a breeze with this system.
Yeah, so overall, you pretty much designed this to be something that someone could do in their garage.
Yeah, as long as you have a little bit of mechanical aptitude, it's really easy to install these barrels.
All right, guys, we're out here at the farm. We're gonna shoot the defense target's hostage target, do a little bit of talking guns back and forth, see if we can move this plate a little bit, and we're gonna test the Remage pre-fit system, and we'll see how it goes.
That way the hatch marks are true, yeah.
Sending. Guys, we've had a ton of fun out here with Josh. These guns are shooting great. Want to thank Northland Shooter Supply, Defense Targets, and the folks at Criterion Barrels. That's all we've got for you today. Catch you next time. We never quit.